But a long time since I've seen rain like this here at one time. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, just look. It has maybe never, oh God, that is cold. It's maybe never rained this much at one time here. I've been here 40 years. Right at 40. Look at that. Look at that. In my own driveway. Look at that. Look at that. Wet as a dog. He won't stay out of the rain. Look at that. This is look at this. My fence. My gate. Look at that. Look at that. That's a wet dog right there, I guarantee you. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, man. Look at that. I have never, ever seen that like that. Ever. Never. That's rushing. A rushing creek in my yard. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, that water's deep all the way in my yard. Looks like a swamp. Look at that. I don't think I've ever seen it like that. Ever. There's nowhere for it to go. Oh man, almost sunk in the ground. Look at that. I better be careful here. I might find a sinkhole. I sunk down 2 steps, huge. Look at that. I hate to disappear here. I mean, that's possible. Where this water is right here, and the way that water is there, and the way that water is here, right here, I could go bye-bye. So I'm getting out of here. Oh man, the road's creasing. I mean, it'd be possible for me to disappear right here. Look at that. Look, there's my yard. Look at that. Look at that. That's unbelievable. I've never seen water like this here at this road. It's almost over the top right here. Never ever seen it like this. Ever. Unbelievable. And I have never seen this ever right here. That has never been flowing like that here. Ever. Wow. Even a tree across the road up there. There it is. A tree across the road. Right there. That's a bunch of water right there. Got a waterfall on the side of the road. I have never seen that water there like that ever. I mean, that's probably 3 inches from being over the road, maybe 2. Listen to that. Don't that sound cool? I like it. I like the sound of it. Look at that mess. I have never seen water like that here, ever. Not that much. We got like 5 inches of rain in 5 hours. But thank God we didn't get no tornadoes or gusty winds or lightning strikes, any of that stuff. I can deal with rain. I just don't like this much. They said in Snellville, Georgia, State Route 124 has been washed away near US 78 today. First time ever that's happened. We've had tornado warnings within 3-4 miles of here, Barrow County, Hall County, flood warnings everywhere. That's just unbelievable. I'm gonna have to go get my feet dry. Cold. That's some cold water. Look, this is my driveway. That is my driveway. Look at that. That's a lot of water. I gotta get back. Man, I don't want to do this. Look at that. Just look at that. I didn't even leave the driveway. Didn't even leave the area and look at it. Just look at that. Listen to that. A driveway. That's one wet dog. That is some wet property.